Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Diddly Has Plans. In today's video, we are setting up my May monthly cleaning page in my Plum Paper Vertical Columns Planner. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so for the month of May, I am using some washi from Planner Cake Kit 420. It's called Sunny Spring. I've got some of my Phoenix Plan scripts here just to show you. And then of course I will be referencing my Clean Mama Guide to a Clean Home. So I'm gonna start with laying down the foundation, which is washi. And I took this strip here and I already kind of cut it in half. So I just think it's so darling. So I used this kit for my monthly highlights page as well as my monthly spread in my planner. So I just bought the extra washi so that I could use it for my Clean Mama routine. Let me get my ruler here so I can do that. And then let's see, let's do, I really like this striped washi here, and I might have to white out some of this green because it might be a little dark underneath the, it's not too bad. I think I'll let it go. That's really cute. I loved this kit. It was so fun to plan my monthly spread with. So let's do that. And then let's see. I have a couple of other options. I could go with this pink polka dot, which is kind of cute. I love all of the patterns in this and the colors are so sweet. Okay, and then let's do this. So I keep mentioning that we'd been kind of busy in and out of town and that kind of thing. And so I'm gonna do the washi on this page too while I'm at it. I am feeling kind of like I'm finally getting things back in order. I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm just gonna do the same thing, just repeat floral, stripe, polka dot. I finally have had a whole weekend at home because last weekend I was, home Saturday, left Sunday. So I feel like I'm back in terms of getting on top of my cleaning, my weeklies and my dailies. And then let's see, which did I do the stripe in the center? Yeah. And so now I feel like, okay, now I can like focus on more of the rotating, and this one has a little rounded corner. So I'm gonna place that a little bit over, extend it so I can trim that corner off and just make it a straight cut. This is really sweet. Okay. And then let's do, let me flip this and trim that before I forget that little extra there. So I feel like I've got my house like just at least back in order, so to speak. When I don't get the weeklies and dailies done, it doesn't feel right. I just don't feel right in the house. Okay, that's that. And while I have the book upside down, I'm gonna go ahead and just put this. And I think I've got 5 weeks in May. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put this all the way straight across because I think I'm gonna end up putting the rotating and the monthly down here. Let me just get, oops. Boy, I'm really not straight today. Okay, I think that's close enough. Alrighty, so that's that. Flip the page, and then I did this is from the monthly kit, so it's sheet 2. There were so many great functional boxes that I had enough to do each of the weeks here. So I'm gonna put these down, and then that way I'm also making really good use of my kit and using up all the stickers, all the leftovers. So there's that, and then, yeah, I've got this here, and last one. Okay, that's great, love it. Oh, that's looking so cute. Okay. Since this is really matching well, I'm gonna leave that. I don't think I'm even gonna cover it. I think it looks really cute. So we're gonna leave that there. Okay, so now that I have the base, I have run out of my headers that say daily tasks. And so that's not a problem. Christine has closed her shop for a little bit, and so I'm just kind of looking at my things here. So what I'm going to do is, these are my dailies, and then over here I have my weeklies. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to write daily here. Okay, so that's down, and then my dailies are, you make the bed, you wipe down the counters, and check the floors, tidy up, tidy kind of the clutter, and do a load of laundry each day. And then again, I don't need to do laundry every single day, so I kind of just do it as I need. And so let me just show you in the guide, because I realized I just put that down without referencing. So here's the daily task tracker. So it's make beds, wipe counters, check floors, clutter, and then laundry. And so that declutter, tidy up, whatever you want to call it, I just call it tidy. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put these down for all 5 of the weeks. Okay, so I have all of my daily tasks down. They're the daily 5 that you do for each of the 5 weeks. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this Erin Condren stencil and my Tombow 772, and I'm going to go ahead and put in some little check boxes for each of the days of the week. So I'm just going to go ahead and do all of those just like this. Alrighty friends, so I have all of my little check boxes down. This is turning out so cute. I love the way the pink of my Tombow looks with this kit. Okay, so now let's go back to the guide and look at the weekly tasks. So for Clean Mama, the normal routine is on Monday, you do the bathrooms, Tuesday is dust, Wednesday's vacuum, then wash the floors. Catch-all is your Friday, and sheets and towels on Saturday, and then Sunday is her day of just the daily 5, not doing any house cleaning. It's meant to be sort of like your family day. For me, our routine and our life works a little differently, and so the way I set it up, I'll show you here in April, is I do linens on Monday. I take the garbage out on Tuesday because our pickup is very early Wednesday morning. Wednesday, Thursdays are just the midweek crunch, so I can't get any cleaning done. It's just futile for me to try to think that I could. So on Fridays, I dust, I clean out the fridge. Saturdays is for vacuuming and mopping. Sundays is washing the bathrooms, and then I water my plants and I scoop the poop in the backyard from Otis. So this was the week where I was out of town the beginning half of the week, so that's why these aren't check marked, and I didn't do these things on those days. The kids took care of it. Looking at the weeklies, I also ran out of my weekly headers, so I'm just going to go ahead and write those in first. So I'm just going to put weekly tasks, and then what I'm going to do is I'll put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, each day of the week. So I'm going to go ahead and take care of that for all 5 weeks. Okay, so that's the foundation. I've got the header, and then I've got the first letter of each day of the week. So we're going to go ahead and put these in. Oh, let me finish up this page here. So here's what the week looks like. Linens, and then garbage, and we recycle every other week. And then, like I said, Wednesday and Thursday is sort of like my down days, just crazy middle of the week, work and school and all of that going on. And then I just put dust and empty the fridge. And then Saturday, that's when I vacuum. Now, I have been known to vacuum and mop on a Friday night if I've gotten home early from work or just not feeling tired, or we don't have any sports going on or any family functions. Not been happening a lot lately, but that's just because I've been really busy with work. But if I can get ahead, I'll get ahead. But I like having this sort of the okay to just only do certain things on certain days of the week. Like if I just get this one thing done, like if I just do the linens on Monday, that's fine, and I'm keeping things up. You know what I mean? Like not falling behind kind of thing. Okay, so those are all of the weeklies. I'm going to go ahead and lay the rest of these down, and then we'll come back. Alrighty friends, so now I have all of my weekly tasks done. So again, it's the linens on Monday, taking the garbage out on Tuesday, dust and emptying the fridge on Friday, vacuuming and mopping for Saturday, and then Sunday is scrubbing the bathrooms, watering the plants, and scooping the poop. So here's the first 3 weeks and then the second 2 weeks of the month. And then now I'm gonna go into the rotating. So these tasks you rotate throughout the year, each month. So looking at May, we're vacuuming the baseboards. That's something we do every month. Spot clean the furniture as well. And then here we've got main bedroom light fixtures. See how the light fixtures, it rotates throughout your house, kind of throughout the year. So January was kitchen, February was living dining, so was March, and then bathroom April, and then May is bedroom. We've got wash the rugs. This again happens every month. Polishing wood furniture as well. Wipe down appliances, clean window treatments, and spot clean walls. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put down my header for rotating tasks here. I'm gonna put this down here like that. And let's see, we always have the baseboards first. So I'm gonna use this little baseboard sticker I have. And then the rest of them, I'm just going to write down. So we have spot clean furniture, main bedroom lights, wash rugs, okay, so those are the rotating tasks. All right, now I'm gonna move forward to the monthly focus or monthly tasks. And for May, it's the garage and basement. So it's declutter, clear surfaces or lose anything you don't use or love. Clean, you wanna dust and or clean all surfaces. Sweep or vacuum, clean the garage floor. So we sweep our garage floor out with like one of those big sweep brush things. Organize, put systems in place that will get your household through the summer. Wash vehicles. Scott actually washed our cars today. Vacuum floors, thoroughly vacuum and clean vehicle floors. He does the floors when he does the washing. Clean most touched areas, so handles, doorknobs, switches, switch plates. Deep clean, wash vehicle windows, clean dashboard, empty trunk, etc. So we keep our cars really pretty clean. So this is gonna be something that's easy for us to get done. Just because when he does wash the cars, he takes the mats out, he does all of the vacuuming and all of that. So I'll put a declutter sticker here. They always start the monthly focus with a nice declutter. So I'm gonna do that there. And then I'm just gonna reference this and write all of these main topics down. So clean, and then sweep. I'm gonna put sweep floor, and then organize, wash cars, vacuum floors, and this is referring to the cars, and then clean most touched areas. And then deep clean. Okay, so those are the monthly tasks. Alrighty, this is looking really good. I just love this washi. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of this deco that I have here and let's just kind of pretty this up. I think this is really cute, so I wanna use some of this. Let's see. Oh, I like this plant. I'm gonna put this plant here between these two. Oops, I don't wanna put it where I need to check mark, because I use that as check boxes. So I can put that there. And then what else do we have here? I kind of like this little rainbow. I want to put this rainbow somewhere. I think I'm going to put him over here. Just so that kind of creates like a little bit of a, oh, I'm going to put this little butterfly up here. Just kind of leading the eye around the page. And then let's see, where do I have space over here? These little floral clusters are so cute. And I want to just put this here like this in the middle of the page. And then I've got another cute little butterfly here. I could put this one, oops. I could kind of put it here at the top, wrapping there. And then what else do we have? We have another fun little rainbow. I like this little critter here. I don't know what that is. And then let's put this little rainbow over here like that. Overlap that a little bit. Okay, that's fun. And then I still have tons of deco that I can use elsewhere. So this is really cute. Oh my gosh, it's always funny. I love how just making the page pretty actually makes not doing the chores so much like hard work. Like it actually like, I don't know, it just makes it easier, I guess. So, all right, so this is May. I've got daily tasks and weekly tasks for the 5 weeks in May. We've got our rotating tasks that we do each month, and then we've got our monthly task, which our focus is the garage or basement. We don't have a basement, so we have a garage. Alrighty, friends, I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.